In a dire situation, Yellowknife, Canada faces a raging wildfire that has forced urgent evacuations. As reported by NPR, the massive blaze, ignited due to dry conditions and high winds, has swiftly engulfed large swathes of the region, endangering homes and lives. Local authorities have declared a state of emergency and initiated the evacuation of residents to safer areas. The Canadian government, alongside firefighting teams, is working tirelessly to control the inferno and protect communities. This alarming event underscores the escalating threat of wildfires due to climate change. The safety of citizens remains the top priority, urging everyone to stay informed, follow evacuation orders, and prioritize their well-being.